WooCommerce B2B Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think WooCommerce is only for standard e-commerce, but its B2B capabilities can transform wholesale and business-to-business sales. WooCommerce B2B is an extension of the popular WooCommerce platform designed to handle complex business transactions. One standout feature is pricing flexibility. You can set tiered pricing, volume discounts, and custom catalogs for specific clients, making it easier to manage wholesale customers without manually adjusting every order. Most people get this wrong. They assume B2B tools are expensive and complicated. The surprising truth is WooCommerce B2B integrates seamlessly with your existing store, giving access to advanced features like tax exemptions, bulk ordering, and restricted product visibility without switching platforms. Another advantage is user management. Businesses can assign roles, approve purchases, and monitor customer activity, ensuring a smooth B2B workflow. Integration with payment gateways and shipping providers also keeps logistics simple and automated. However, there are considerations. Setting up B2B functionality requires familiarity with WooCommerce and WordPress, so beginners may face a learning curve. Some advanced features may require additional plugins or paid extensions. In conclusion, WooCommerce B2B is ideal for store owners looking to scale into wholesale or B2B markets without leaving the familiar WooCommerce ecosystem. Its combination of flexibility, automation, and client management tools makes it a powerful solution for business-oriented e-commerce. Subscribe for more honest e-commerce platform reviews before upgrading your online store.